Hello folks, Devin here at Indian Head Chrysler. I'm here with Phil and Eddie's behind the camera. And boy, do we have a great group of deals for you now. We've just introduced Gotta Go Row. We've got trucks, vans, and SUVs on clearance pricing. Get them while you can. The bosses are gone, and that might be the best part about this whole deal.
All right, folks, in here you're going to find a 2022 Gladiator Mojave as well as a Sahara Unlimited Wrangler and a Wrangler Sport. 2 doors, 4 doors, or a quarter ton. We've got you covered. $6,000 off here, $6,000 off here, $5,000 off there. You want deals? We got them. All right, folks, and in the minivan category here, we've got over 3,000 discounts on this guy here. He does have the full entertainment package for the kiddos in the back, or you can get all-wheel drive in this platinum colored one over here and get over $4,000 off there. All right, folks, over here we've got a couple of sports at a Bighorn. The white Sport here is over $14,000 off, and over here the Bighorn, you're going to get over an $11,500 discount on this guy. It brings it down to $52,000. How do you get a truck for that price in this day and age? And the third Sport's gone. We must have already sold it. You're running out of time. Get down here fast.
So there you have it, folks. Gotta Go Row. Get them while they're hot. Get them while they last. These are not going to last long. You heard from Phil the amount of dollars that we're taking off of these while the bosses are gone. We're really hoping they don't have access to the internet while they're gone away from the store. That's why we need these gone on Gotta Go Row. If you want to book your test drive today, give us a call at 306-695-2254. Ask for myself, Phil, or Eddie behind the camera and book your test drive today and find out why everyone is driving another Indian Head Chrysler.